So today I'm going to do a video on putting these holes in the front valance of the MGA. Now we did this spur of the moment and we didn't think about actually filming it until we were stuck into it. So the footage isn't the greatest, but here we go.
A little more. And one flared hole.
Cheap Harbor Freight step drill and an underpowered drill.
It works. Making the whole thing up. Two flared holes. What are you thinking?
Shoot for 3/4 of an inch between the edges of the flares.
Instead of half an inch?
It was about 3/8.
Okay.
So like I said at the beginning of the video, we just did this spur of the moment. We had no plans, it was just Saturday night. We decided to just knock that out. So we didn't have our tools sitting there. We were scrambling for things. On the pilot hole, the battery died on my drill. And the backup battery, when I got off the charger, was dead as well because it had gotten unplugged for some reason for using the plug for something else. So I just had to grab an old backup corded drill that had too small of a chuck and was really underpowered, and do what we could with it. And now the only thing I had that I could put in that chuck was some old crappy step drill bits, and the largest one was still too small for the size holes we were trying to make. So I had to use a die grinder to finish making the holes so we could flare them. So not everything went as planned, and that's how life is. So we're not going to around here cover up everything and make all of our videos look perfect and smooth. Now I may not show everything that goes wrong and all the little bloopers and mistakes. We're also not going to edit them all out and make our videos all perfect and look like, you know, some YouTubers do, like nothing ever goes wrong. We're going to keep it real around here and show you that, you know, we're human too. Things go wrong and we just deal with it.